third lecture by Briqan J Ford this morning. Just to tell you a little bit about the lecture itself, Brian actually recently gave a headline-making lecture in London. It was reported widely in the national press with large features in the Daily Telegraph and the Guardian. He gave a major interview on the BBC's Today programme, and he argued that science hasn't resulted from professional scientists so much as from the work of amateurs. He explained his details more recently in the New Scientist magazine, and here for the first time as a public presentation he explains how everyone can be a scientist. The lecture is Forgotten Amateurs Who Gave Us Science. Please welcome once again Briqan J Ford.
You mustn't be too cross with our cruise director if he sometimes seems to be existing in a different temporal plane. We all thought, did we not, that when they cancelled Madeira and substituted the Azores, gosh, that's rather neat. You don't normally go to the Azores, that will be interesting. But of course, Colin had a number of stars on this ship due to start work in Madeira. And he has entire teams of entertainers rehearsing on Madeira, ready to be picked up. So he does ask me to say that if any of you, preferably those without walking sticks, do dance, can sing, have experience as musical arrangers, or are dab hands at amateur conjuring, would you please give him your name just as soon as you possibly can. And if you have a frilly dress, that applies to the women only, then so much the better.